Yeah, good luck with that one, Eric. You're probably going to be screwed there. All right, Immaculate. We got one team left in box 24. And then the other eBay break is Donruss Football. 12 teams left. They are 15% off. I don't know, Tony. Game is definitely not looking very offensive tonight, though. That is for sure. Here we go. Immaculate 100. I need like 30 out of Peterson. Oh, Sproles, man. How much was Patterson? 3? Telling me you couldn't find 33? Sproles was 3,300. Good luck. See what we can pull out of this box. Need to see another. Oh no, we pulled a 101 out of this case. A stinking Dolphins card. Joe AQU, if you're out there, I did get your picture, your photograph in from the silver packs. So I'll get that shipped out to you this week. And we pulled 2 101s from this box. Or this case, I mean. Got Kenny's Vargas, 10 of 10 for the Twins. B. Phillips, 15. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Sproles was 3,300. Here's a nice one. Vlad Guerrero, Pedro Martinez dual jersey. 75 of 99. Got the Expos and the Red Sox. Red Sox is the Rock. Nationals is Reggie. We will randomize that one. Aaron Judge, jersey. 98 of 99. Going to the Yankees, B. Phillips. I'm almost positive Sproles was 3,300. I'll double check here in a little bit. But. Triple jersey. Spangenberg, Baez, and Turner. 99 of 99. Padres is Eric, H-I-L. Cubs is Cisco. Nationals is Reggie. We will randomize that one. It's our first Chris Bryant, I think. Got the Immaculate Hitters jersey. 37 of 49 for the Cubs. Cisco 0240. Oops. Buck Farmer rookie auto. 12 of 99 for the Tigers. Sandy GAL. The last hit, Joey Gallo, rookie auto patch, 22 of 49 for the Rangers. Reggie, GIE, nice 4-color patch. Very nice hit. All right, let me get these random set up here. Cubs, Nationals. This one we got Nationals and Red Sox. Oops. There we go. Well, first up, we got the triple jersey, Spangenberg, Baez, and Turner. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That one's going to the Padres. Baez. Turner. The Padres is Eric, H-I-L. And then the duel, the Guerrero and Martinez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to the Red Sox. That is The Rock. So Stephen QUI grabbing that dual relic. So this one's going to Eric HIL. And the Guerrero Martinez is going to Stephen QUI. Got an overall bad box of Immaculate.
And that's almost as good as a home run ball, but then no return. You agree? That's the first nice special teams play we've seen, and it's a shame. I mean, you're talking about the San Francisco 49ers starts.
Did they just score some more runs on your Astros? Hopefully it was another Moreland home run. That's what I need. Ah, fielder. Dang it. The Nationals really struggled that bad with the Phillies? Holy cow. Nationals have fallen apart this year. That's crazy.